How to fix DaVinci Resolve crashing? First of all, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for DaVinci Resolve. This software is resource intensive, so if your RAM, GPU, or processor isn't strong enough, crashes are likely to happen. Next, check for any available updates. Both DaVinci Resolve and your graphic drivers should always be up to date. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons for random crashes. Another thing you can try is switching DaVinci Resolve from GPU processing to CPU or vice versa. Go to Preferences, then to System, and under GPU configuration, try selecting a different mode. Sometimes changing this setting can instantly fix stability issues. Also, disable background processes and unnecessary applications while using DaVinci Resolve. Programs running in the background can eat up RAM or GPU power, leading to crashes during high-performance tasks like rendering or playback. If your project is crashing during a specific part, it could be a corrupted media file. Try removing that part from the timeline and see if the crash still happens. Finally, consider lowering your timeline resolution or optimizing your media. Using proxies or transcoding heavy footage can significantly reduce the strain on your system and help DaVinci Resolve run more smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to fix DaVinci Resolve crashing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.